Hello, welcome to another video. Today, we are working on Greta Thunberg's tweets. We are on page 39, and you can see that there are two screenshots of her account. Let's have a look. So page 39, you can see we have two documents. The first one is a screenshot of Greta Thunberg's Twitter account. You can see that there's a profile picture, a background picture, you have her name, you have her handle, you have the follow button, you have the options button, you have the place, the location, you have a YouTube link, a date, the number of people she is following, the number of people who are following her, and finally there is this little part, and this is the bio, the biography. On that day, her biography read, a kind but poorly informed teenager, une adolescente gentille mais mal informée. That's a bit strange, right? Because it's not very positive. Let's have a look at the other screenshot. Again, we have the profile picture, background, follow button, name, handle, location, link, date, number of people following, number of followers. And the bio is different. It says, a teenager working on her anger management problem. Currently chilling and watching a good old-fashioned movie with a friend. So a teenager working on her anger management problem in French would be une adolescente qui travaille sur son problème de gestion de la colère. Currently means en ce moment, pas couramment, hein, en ce moment. Donc en train de, en ce moment en train de. Chilling, bah, chiller, se reposer, se détendre, se relaxer. And watching a good old-fashioned movie with a friend. Et en train de regarder un bon vieux film à l'ancienne avec un ou une amie. Again, it's not very positive. Anger management problem is not something you would put in your bio to make yourself look good. So let's write a little bit. The two images are screenshots from Greta Thunberg's Twitter account, and more specifically her bio, her biography. Both bios are rather negative. A poorly informed girl and anger management problems are not terms one would generally use in their bios, as those are meant to highlight who a person is in positive terms, not to case their defects, not to showcase their defects. So the two images are screenshots, des captures d'écran from Greta Thunberg's Twitter account, and more specifically her bio. Both bios, les deux bios, are rather negative, sont plutôt négatives. A poorly informed girl, une fille mal informée, and anger management problems, et des problèmes de gestion de la colère, are not terms, ne sont pas des termes, one would generally use in their bios. One in English can mean number one, or it can mean one person representing all people. One would be in French, on fait ça. Une personne générique fait ça et représente toutes les autres personnes. One would be the equivalent for on. And so you have one, and the possessive pronoun would be there. Donc, les deux bios sont plutôt négatives. Ce ne sont pas des termes que l'on utiliserait généralement dans les biographies. Car celles-ci, those, are meant to highlight who a person is, car celles-ci sont censées mettre en valeur qui une personne est, in positive terms, de manière positive, not to showcase their defects, et pas de montrer leurs défauts. If you have a look at pages 40 and 41, you can see that we have two more pictures, well, two more screenshots from Greta Thunberg's Twitter account. In the first one, it says, "A very happy young girl looking forward to a bright and wonderful future." And the second one is one single word. It is in Portuguese, and I'm very sorry, I'm not going to try to pronounce it, but it's not a very nice word. So why is she changing her bio all the time? If you check now, right now at the time of this video, the bio is very, very probably different. It probably says something like a 17-year-old climate and environmental activist with Asperger's. But these bios, in reality, they are responses to comments or insults or articles that are negative about Greta in the press or on Twitter, and generally from politicians. And you guessed it, our favorite politician for insulting young girls is Donald Trump, but not just him. Mr. Bolsonaro, Mr. Putin, and Emmanuel Macron also made negative comments or outright insults about Greta in the media. So on pages 40 and 41, you can see we have quite a long article. Your job for the next lesson, for the next video, is to read the article and then get started on the questions. So the questions are on pages 42 and 43. On page 42, you have to highlight the words in the text and then link them to the definitions. I think I might have made mistakes in the lines. If you see a mistake, can you please correct it? So highlight the words in the text, surligner les mots dans le texte, and then link them to their definitions. Afterwards, I let you try to answer the questions, so fill in the following table with the names of the politicians and what Greta Thunberg's response was, quoting the text. So you have the name of the politician, for example, Donald Trump, Bolsonaro, Putin, Macron, and then the response from Ms. Thunberg. And in your own words, so this is a written exercise, a writing exercise, in your own words, avec vos propres mots, explain why Greta is called a troll. That's the title of the article. Greta Thunberg has once again proven herself a savvy Twitter troll. So you have to justify why she is a Twitter troll. We will correct this in the next video. In the meantime, this video is over. Thank you very much for your attention. I hope you have a fantastic day. Stay safe, take care, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.